Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install the latest Stremio app on any of your OMN TV or Google TV devices. The process is the same across all on-TV models, so you can follow along no matter which device you have. So first, using your remote, go to the top menu and select the settings icon on the right. Scroll down and choose System, then select About from the list. Now scroll all the way down to Android TV OS build. This is the key step, so pay attention. Click on this option 7 times continuously. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, a message will pop up saying, "You are now a developer." That means you've successfully completed this. Next, press the Home button once on your remote. And let's move on to installing the Downloader app. This app will let us install all your favorite apps on your ONN device. Navigate to the top menu and select Apps. Then, search for Downloader using the search bar. There are several apps named Downloader, but we need this one, which is at the top of the list. Click Install, and within a few minutes, the Downloader app will be ready. While it's downloading, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Once installed, open the Downloader app. The first time you launch it, it will ask you to accept the necessary permissions to work properly. Click on the hashtag icon and type this code 8533602. This code will redirect you to my On TV Hacks downloader page, where all the apps are neatly organized for you to install. To find Stremio, simply scroll down the list until you see the Stremio app. Once you find it, click on it to install the application, and then wait for it to download automatically. Most of the apps listed on our downloads page begin downloading automatically, but if they don't, you'll be asked to press the download icon to start. After that, click Install and complete the process. Click Done, and now press Delete to remove the APK files. Don't worry, these are just installer files, and deleting them will not delete the app that we just downloaded. Okay, so now press the Home button, and this time make sure to connect to your VPN, as we are using a third-party app here, so it's always better to stay protected. If you don't have a VPN, then you can get one for a discount with my link provided in the description for a significant discount. Now go back to the Apps menu and launch the Stremio app, which will be all the way at the end of the list. There it is. Hope you found this video helpful. Since the channel is new, make sure to smash that subscribe button for more on-TV streaming tips, tutorials, and app guides. Also, be sure to visit ontvhacks.com, where you'll find detailed step-by-step guides, app tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and everything you need to get the most out of your on-TV device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.